Hey freelancers! Whether you're a creative, consultant, or coder, managing your money is key to staying profitable and stress-free. I'm Nicole from Simplified Solution Systems, and today I'm breaking down freelancer finances into 3 simple pillars: budgeting, taxes, and reporting, using tools like QuickBooks Online, Xero, or just a clean spreadsheet. Let's start with budgeting. Your goal? Know your income, fixed expenses, and savings goals each month. Inside QuickBooks Online or Xero, you can set a monthly budget and track actuals versus budget. If you're a spreadsheet person, here's a simple setup. Column A, categories: income, software, marketing, travel. Columns B through M, monthly totals. Add a variance column to compare planned versus real spending. Aim for a 30-30-30-10 rule: 30% to business operations, 30% to taxes, 30% to profit or savings, and 10% to fun or development. Next, taxes. You're likely responsible for quarterly estimated payments. Use QuickBooks Online's or Xero's tax estimator, or our downloadable tax tracker. Make it easy by saving 30% of every payment you receive into a separate tax holding account. Use apps like Keeper or MileQ to track expenses and mileage, and always keep receipts. Scan and save them in your accounting app. Finally, let's talk reporting. Even if you're solo, you need to act like a CFO. Every month, run a quick report profit and loss statement. QBO and Xero generate this instantly. Cash flow summary. Optional income by client. Great for evaluating who's most profitable. Set a monthly finance date with yourself. Review what worked, where money went, and what you should change next month. Want a plug-and-play system for your freelance finances? At S3, we help freelancers build smart, sustainable money systems. Whether you need a full setup in QBO or Xero, or just a spreadsheet budget, book a 1-hour consultation for just $65 and walk away with a custom plan and a 1-page summary. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest money question. We might feature it in our next video.